Hello world, you're watching Exponential Tech. This is the place to be if you're into technologies that have an exponential impact on your daily life, your wallet, and the world. Exponential Tech covers AI, crypto, as well as investing. Today we'll be talking about Nvidia's earnings report released yesterday and news that Intel has acquired an AI startup called Vertex AI for an undisclosed amount. First to the story about Nvidia's earnings, which was released yesterday. Nvidia reported a higher year-on-year revenue and profit growth in the second quarter of this year. Its gaming and data center businesses mainly contributed towards this growth. However, GPU sales to crypto miners fell substantially. Subscribers to this channel will know already that this was reported in a previous video. And let's move on. So Nvidia also gave guidance on the current quarter, which fell short of market expectations. As a result, the stock price fell. You can see that the stock closed at $257 yesterday, and in after hours trading, it slumped all the way to 242, and it's picked up now and it's trading at 247 at the moment. Specifically, Nvidia expects its gross margin for this current quarter to fall to 62.6% from 64.7%. This isn't a surprise, guys. We were all aware that the sales to crypto miners would fall last week. I'm actually surprised the stock didn't fall, given that news being known. What matters to me is that the general trend of hungry AI companies requiring compute is not going down, nor is demand for gaming. And this is what matters at the core of Nvidia. Crypto mining hardware is not a substantial business, in my opinion, because A, it is highly susceptible to crypto market swings, as we're seeing now. So as the price goes down, so does the profitability of miners, and therefore lower demand for GPUs. And B, the crypto community is trying to move away from the computational and electricity hungry proof of work protocol. So for some reason, the crypto community and indeed the investment community fails to recognize this and do not state this. If I weren't so worried about global macroeconomic factors, so specifically concerning emerging markets and interest rates, and as well as geopolitical factors such as the trade war, I would be buying this dip ferociously. By now, you understand Nvidia is a key player in the development of AI. I'm going to be tracking this like a hawk. Hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on any future updates from this channel. Let's move on to the next story, which is about the acquisition of Vertex AI for an undisclosed amount. So we're staying in the chip hardware space, and I'm really excited to report this story to you. Vertex AI are a startup that develop a platform agnostic AI model suite. Okay, let's understand what that means. First of all, the suite is called Plaid ML, and what this tool does is it enables developers to deploy AI models on a range of operating systems, for example, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. This boosts Intel's status in the deep learning edge market significantly. This is a massive topic in itself, but suffice to say, deep learning edge enables Intel to allow computation to be done locally instead of in the cloud. And this is really important for low latency applications. So a good example of this is self-driving cars. This acquisition is really good for Intel, in my opinion. They bought up Mobileye and Movidius, Both have significant exposure in the autonomous vehicle and edge compute market. These acquisitions also reinforce the notion that Intel are attempting to dominate this deep learning edge market too. I'm going to be continuing to report on further future acquisitions of AI startups. Hit the subscribe button now so you never miss out. Right, that's it for me. If you like this episode, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. Also, sign up for the alerts. I'm going to be dropping a lot more content that will impact your trading and investing decisions. Also, let me know what you thought of this episode in the comment section below. I work for you, so if you want me to cover anything in particular, just let me know. As always, all the articles I've discussed and resources are recorded in the description section below, so you can read them yourself if you really want to. For now, have a fantastic day. It's me, Chris, signing off. Take care.